Alright, hey guys, Whiteout Wonders here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to light this. It's a pretty cool trick. So what you want to do is, go ahead and light it. And know what you're thinking. I just kind of said I'm going to show you guys how to light it, but what I mean is light it and then blow it out and then light the smoke on fire. So I'll show you here. See? Now it's smoking. And kind of light the smoke on fire. Not sure whether or not you guys seen, but it lit without me doing anything to it, like without me touching the wick with the lighter. So I'll show you guys again if you missed. See, so there it is. I'm just gonna light the smoke on fire. Never mind. Light it on fire. I'll kind of show you guys this side view. I know it's kind of bright. Here we go. Alright, let's see if I can do this, geez. Alright, you see it? Alright, see?